Use Hootsuite for Beginners 2023 Social Media Management Business Tutorial. I bring you back with yet another great video. In this video, we're going to be discussing about a great social media management platform. We're going to be discussing it in great depth. So please do make sure to watch this video till the end and listen to all the information I have to provide you with. And if you do that properly and follow me properly, you're going to fully know how to use Hootsuite. So without further ado, let's get straight into it. So we're going to write Hootsuite, okay? Now, here we have it. Hootsuite, social media marketing and management tool. So basically, if you were to discuss it in a technical term, Hootsuite is a social media management platform created by Ryan Holmes in 2008. The system's user interface takes the form of a dashboard and supports social network integrations for Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, Pinterest, YouTube, and TikTok. Okay, so if you go on what is Hootsuite used for, we can see create, schedule, publish, and manage your content and ad campaigns across social networks from a single dashboard. Basically, they help you maximize the impact of your social marketing by providing real-time insights so you can basically focus on other areas of your business. And if you were to see this, is Hootsuite free to use? You can basically save time, expand your reach, and watch your engagement skyrocket with a month of Hootsuite's completely free platform. So we're going to be using this basically, and we're going to be talking about all aspects of Hootsuite with its basic information, overview, pricing, and everything. So here we are, Hootsuite. Grow your reach and get more business with social media. Let's do this, okay? And as you can see, it's on Capterra shortlist, it's on Forbes, it's on top 50 marketing products, Trust Radius, and much more. Social Media Trends 2023 is finally here. Discover what's ahead for social marketing, commerce, and customer service. Manage social media in one place. Light up your profiles. Schedule and publish content to all of your social profiles. Track effectiveness in real time and crank the volume on your top performing content. Plan your content with ease. View all of your social media content in one calendar. Easily see all your scheduled and published content. Create new posts and organize existing ones. Then obviously you can also stay on top of your trends, where you can set up customizable streams that let you monitor trends and stay notified about your business, customers, competitors, or any topic that you are going to be curious about. You can also post on time every time, get actionable insights on the best times to post without the heavy data crunching. How a 1930s pick candy company is turning heads on TikTok. Stuckey's is basically a candy maker known for its pecan log rolls and Kishchi souvenirs, which it sells at its convenience stores along highways in the United States. Basically, it was made in 1930s, but it's just really famous now. Why? Because of TikTok, and it was made famous through Hootsuite. Still not sure where to start? Basically, step 1 is to choose the right plan. Whether you're a solo superstar or a global team of hundreds, Hootsuite's plans are designed to adapt to the needs of you and your business. You can start your free trial right away. Learning new software takes time, obviously, where you can spend 30 days testing and getting comfortable with Hootsuite completely free. Attend free classes for beginners. You can go to case studies and you can use free classes and courses to get access to classes with Hootsuite experts who will show you the ropes and answer all your social media management questions, even the ones your boss is too shy to ask. Now here you can see what our customers are saying about us. So you can see all, great customers who can, talk, and they're going to tell you all about Hootsuite. Now that we've, discovered the whole main dashboard, we're going to go on why Hootsuite, okay? So why Hootsuite? Our suite of social media tools is built to simplify your marketing, accelerate your sales, and streamline your customer service. So what makes us an industry leader? As the world's first social media management platform, Hootsuite has been on the pulse of how people use social media for over a decade, and over time, we've adopted our software to help businesses reach their customers more efficiently across multiple platforms, improve their customer service, and gain deeper analytics and consumer insights. At the forefront of social innovation, we put social media to work in every corner of every organization, from the smallest business to the largest enterprise. Right now, we're focused on 3 things: social marketing, where you can create, schedule, publish, and manage your content and ad campaigns across social networks from a single dashboard. We help maximize the impact of your social marketing by proving the real-time insights so you can focus on the other areas of your business. You have social commerce by combining the power of conversational AI with the human touch of your team. Our customer messaging platform delivers exceptional customer experiences at scale. And then you have the social customer care, where you can meet your customers where they are at on social, view and manage all of your customer conversations in one dashboard, providing service that's seamless and personal. And then here it says what we do differently: our world-class research and training, okay? Our extensive partner ecosystem, our commitment to your employees, and our commitment to the wider world. And obviously, if we were to like go into details, our research reports and certifications are trusted by hundreds and thousands of marketers to help inform real business decisions with confidence. Their extensive partner ecosystem, we partner and integrate with 150 plus of the core platforms and technologies you already use to run your business. They've also created the infrastructure to keep your employees engaged and excited about your brand inside the office walls while becoming advocates outside of the workplace. We want to build connections that transform, where our people can thrive in a diverse, equitable, and inclusive work environment, and we're committed to developing products and services that support and empower those who need them the most. So, now that we've discussed that, let's go ahead and see what they do. So, first of all, there's publishing and scheduling. Grow fast with a smart social media calendar and planner. Easily create, schedule, and publish content for all your platforms from a single dashboard and escape creative block while you do it. See the best time to post and stay inspired with content ideas. Our social media publishing platforms tell you when to post on social media to get the highest engagement. You schedule your content to go live then, even if you're out of office. Plan and create great content with ease. Fill your social media content calendar fast with easy to use templates and a content inspiration tool. Create compelling on-brand content in just a few clicks. Plus, reach the right audience with an AI-powered hashtag generator. Cut hours from your work week. Save hours each week with a bulk social media scheduler that lets you plan hundreds of posts ahead of time. Boost engagement rates by scheduling content to go live at the ideal time based on your audience. Identify and fill gaps in your calendar. Quickly glance at your published and scheduled content in a calendar or list view. Map out campaigns, fill content gaps, and collaborate in real time. Easily suspend scheduled posts in case of potential crisis or unexpected opportunity. You can also get inspired and get noticed, okay, with a hashtag generator and content ideas right at your fingertips. Easily create content that your target audience will see and engage with. Your all-in-one social media publishing tool. Check out a few of the top Hootsuite publishing features that help you whip up high-quality content, sell more online, and grow your following. You have Canva templates where you can get access to your favorite Canva templates right from the Composer window, create from scratch or access your edited templates. Grammarly spell check, which gives your captions a typo-free polish with advanced spelling, grammar, and tone suggestions by Grammarly. You have brilliant content ideas where you can never run out of social media content ideas with Hootsuite's content inspiration tool. Customize templates to create on-brand content. You have the best time to post, where you can get more likes, comments, and basically shares with recommended times to publish right in your calendar window. You have hashtag suggestions where you can reach the right people and boost your chances of going viral with a hashtag generator that basically suggests and perfect hashtags for your post. Bulk post scheduling where you can schedule hundreds of posts at once with a bulk social media scheduler. Save time by creating posts in advance and scheduling them for the best time. You have the content discovery streams where you can easily curate and share engaging content from all your networks, creating search streams by hashtag, keyword, and location. You have easy collaborations where you can ensure consistent on-brand content with a collaborative workflow that eliminates the back and forth. Streamline approvals where you can reduce risk and ensure that all your posts are ready to go to thanks to a simple approval process that allows team members to review. Now, once we've discussed all that, let's go and discuss the pricings, okay? Because obviously the pricing is one of the most essential things. It's what you're going to look for. So pick the plan that's right for you. Manage all of your social media in one place, okay? Now, first of all, there's the professional plan, which is a $99 per month. Now, all of these plans are pretty hefty, like a lot of money per month. But when you look at what it does for you, it's pretty, like the payback's pretty good. So There's a professional plan, which is $99 per month, and you can get a 30-day trial or skip trial and get 20% off on your first purchase. So, in the professional plan, you can get one user and 10 social accounts, okay? Now, 10 social accounts with, Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, YouTube, LinkedIn, Pinterest, TikTok, with unlimited posts, post scheduling, and access to message in one inbox. Then you have the Teams plan, where you have 3 users, and you have roles and permissions and assign posts to team members. Then you have the business plan, where you can get 5 users, 35 social accounts, approval workflows, inbound, outbound tagging, content and asset library, and a Hootsuite customer support. And then obviously you have the enterprise plan, where you can request a demo to get the main outlook of what the money's supposed to look like. And yeah, so that is basically, all the pricings and plans that you're going to see. Now, once we've discussed that, let's go ahead and start ourselves with our free trial. So select your plan to get started. It could be either just for you, or you could have a team. I'm going to go with just for me, and I'm going to go and start my 30-day free trial. Now, once I start my 30-day free trial, it's going to, ask me to create an account for myself. I'm going to be using a temp mail to create an account for myself with, a temporary mail, a temporary email. But if you're doing this for yourself and in the long run, trust me, you're going to need to use a proper email, because temp mails are just not trustworthy in my opinion. I'm just using it for the video purposes. So I'm going to add in my name. I'm going to put in the email address that I just took off. Make sure to have a strong password. Once you do that, you're going to click on create my account. Now it's going to come here. Enter your billing information. Okay. Now, once you enter your billing information and everything, it's going to basically start you off on a trial. And once it starts you off on a trial, let me show you what the interface is going to look like. Basically, you're going to get a lot of stuff to do your social media marketing. First of all, it's going to look somewhat like this, okay? You're going to see all these things, where you're going to have your main dashboard, where you're going to get all the social media platforms that you have, like, your tweets. You're going to see all the views you're going to get, all the clicks you're going to get on it. And then obviously, not only tweets, you can also add different streams, like add different data streams, which could be, your TikTok, Instagram, stuff like that. Basically, it all works on adding data streams. And once you've added the data stream for whatever social media platform you're going to be using, it's pretty dandy from there. So yeah, that is how you're going to be using Hootsuite. And to, further on discuss more about this in detail, you can just go and check the reviews, because they have taught pretty well. But yeah, just make sure to have a correct plan. And once you have a correct plan, make sure to, add the right data stream. And once you add the right data stream, just make sure to get good schedules and your approvals for posts and stuff. And from there on out, it's pretty easy to do proper social media marketing to get your good analysis of your social media platforms. And then finally, just make good money off of it and make your life on social media easier. So yeah, that is basically how you're going to use Hootsuite for your social media, marketing, for your social media analysis, and, just a great marketplace online. So yeah, that's basically it for this video. If you enjoyed it, please drop down a like, subscribe to the channel. And if you want to see more videos like this in the future, please let me know down in the comments below. But yeah, until then, I hope you all keep having a great day. That was all from me, and I will see you all next time. Goodbye.